Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is my daughter. What's your name? You nervous? What's your name? Sassy, okay. You want to do this? You don't want to get your hair done? You don't want to get your hair done? Okay. This is my 2-year-old daughter, Ember. We call her Emmy. Right? Little sassy, little shy, but the sweetest little chunky, right? Today we gonna be look up. Today we are going to be doing her hair. She loves getting her hair done, loves all things girly. So huh? EJ about to sleep? EJ's at school. Her big brother is at school. So I'm gonna be showing you our wash day routine, and I'm also going to be showing you how I style her hair. So stay tuned. Thank you all so much for your continued support, and let's get into the video. So I'm gonna be washing her hair with Tresemme. What is this? Moisture Rich. And I don't have a conditioner out here because I'm gonna be following up with a whole. Why would you wipe that on me? She also opened these chips even though I told her not to, but you know, toddlers, you know? So we're gonna be following up with a whole conditioning routine. Right now her hair is a little dry. It hasn't been styled in like 2 weeks. But you know, mama got 3 kids. So mama be tired, but yeah, I've been nursing her hair back. She actually ripped a braid off of her head. So she got like a little short spot right here that I've been nursing. It was completely bald, but I've been nursing that back. So we got some growth there, which it was bald. So I'm proud of that. So what I typically do with Ember is I take her and I lay her across the sink. Girl, you get so big. Lay back. And Ember doesn't typically give me a hard time with washing her hair or doing her hair because she loves to get her hair done. But sometimes she does get a little nervous when I wash her hair. So whenever she does that, I just kind of get close and kind of snuggle her until she lets me finish. Putting the towel back there. Go ahead, lay back. That's a great thing because it's something to support their neck and also they don't feel like they drowning. But yeah, her hair is not completely detangled, but I'm not worried about it because I will fully detangle it as I'm washing it and with the conditioner and all like that. Put your legs down. I don't think you should be eating chips while you're laying back, but you know, whatever floats your boat. So I just get the water nice and warm. As you see, she got her head tilted all the way back. The sis don't want to feel like she's drowning. Lay back, lay back, lay back, put it back. So for conditioner, first I'm going to be following up with the Moisture Boost Protein Pack. What Daddy doing? Yeah, I'm going down here. I'm also
this.
This going in my big girl hair. You like it? Yes?
Yeah.
Smell it. Smell it. How you like it? Smell good?
That was good.
Mm-hmm. Let me see. Turn around so I can get the middle. Didn't turn it on. You're welcome, baby. Yeah, 1 second, okay? Get all the conditioner in there. Beautiful curls. Say my beautiful curls. My beautiful skin. I'm a beautiful black princess. That's right. And don't let nobody tell you different. Okay? 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 That was too much. Okay, then, girl. Here, turn around. Let's get your cap. Turn around so we can put your cap on. You're not gonna fall. I would never let you fall. You're welcome, princess. You never fall. Not as long as your mother is around. Okay? Okay, so we are going to let that conditioner sit for probably about 30 minutes. She probably run around and do whatever, and then we come back and wash that out, then we'll style. Say see ya. Take it up. Up. Okay, so we have all the conditioner rinsed out. My girl got all this beautiful, luscious, thick hair. She kind of gave me a time rinsing the conditioner out, but I am gonna be blowing her out today because I'm gonna be trimming her ends. Like I said, she is only 2 years old, and I typically just style her hair like natural curls. But I was just like looking at her ends, and they can go for a little trim. So I think that's where we mess up. A lot of times it's like treating toddlers' hair like it doesn't need maintenance, deep conditioning, trims, and stuff like that, and it does. So by the time they get older, kids, a lot of times their hair is damaged because it hasn't been, it hasn't had the proper maintenance. So we are gonna be giving her a little trim, nothing drastic, just dusting her ends. And yeah, I think we're gonna be doing some braids and beads today. So I think if she get to cutting up, we doing some pumpkin tips. So the rest will be a voiceover because we gotta get Coco Melon going in order for her to sit through this. So yeah, I'm about to turn on Coco Melon. I'm sorry. You took your head off.
No, not my hair.
Not your head. So this is an update of where we are. She started falling apart. This one here started falling apart. My little chunk of mama Leia. And then we got my big girl Emmy. So now we gotta finish the top. And she won't let me do that unless I get rid of the phone. So I will check back in once we are all done. We are finally done. Let me see your hair. Look down. Let me see the top. Look down. Look like, do like this. Let me see the back. Yeah. Let me see. Come here. Let me see the back. Yeah. I done snatched my wig on. So glad it's over. But yes, that is my toddler's hair routine. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Thank you all so much for watching. She's trying to get out of here. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And comment anything that y'all want to see, any kind of videos. If y'all want more hair videos with her. If y'all want to see me actually do the style, like a detailed video and how I braid my toddler's hair. If you guys are interested in something like that or whatever, just make sure you comment. And yeah, I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.